Hey everybody, Pineapple Dan here, Niagara Tropics. Here we are again, January 6th. At the front of the property, looking at a beautiful Sabal miner. Hasn't been overwintered yet. We're in zone 7A according to USDA and the Canada One updated charts. So here we are looking at a beautiful Sabal miner. And you know the old saying, what doesn't kill you will make you stronger. Well, that really doesn't work for cold hardy tropicals and plants. What doesn't kill it will weaken it absolutely for next year. Although I'm not into bragging rights or anything like that, I do believe that keeping the palms exposed, even if it is a mild winter, will certainly harm them the following year. So by all means, I'm going to wrap this one up. And the way we do Sabal miners here is similar to the needle palm in the other video. You get one of those shelters, get a bag of dry leaves, fill up the shelter, and plunk it over. Simple as that. And we'll see how it goes. But Mr. Sabal Miner, we'll see you in March.